A pool vacuum can malfunction due to blockages in the filter or hose, as well as air in the hose or air leaks. To resolve this issue, it is essential to inspect for blockages, which are often the primary cause of the problem. Debris can become stuck in the vacuum filter or hose, and in such cases, removing the vacuum from the pool and manually clearing the debris with your hand or a small tool can be an effective solution. If the filter is clogged, it should be cleaned according to the manufacturer's instructions, as outlined in the user manual. In severe cases, disassembling the vacuum and replacing certain parts may be necessary. If no clogs are found, it is crucial to check for air issues, as air in the hose can compromise the suction power of the vacuum. To remove air from the hose, the vacuum should be taken out of the water, drained, and then reinserted into the pool with the power turned on. Additionally, the vacuum should be inspected for air leaks, which can be identified by the presence of bubbles and foam in the water. If air leaks are detected, replacing the affected part may be necessary. If, after attempting these fixes, the pump still does not function, it is recommended to consult a professional pool vacuum technician. By following these steps, it is possible to repair a non-functioning pool vacuum and ensure its optimal performance.